Well, hello there. Sion Batson here from Sion Batson Tutoring, and in this video, I will be teaching you how to write exponent form in expanded form. Very important concept for all of my 5th graders, my 6th graders, and my GED students. So let's go. Now, this exercise is out of my 5th grade math workbook. You can master 5th grade math, next generation learning standards. This workbook is the perfect resource for homeschooling, virtual learning, extra practice at home, homework help, and state test prep. It is filled with very simple and easy to follow notes and explanations, step-by-step examples, guided examples, and more than 1,800 practice problems and answers. So if you have a 5th grader, I would highly recommend that you get them a copy. You can get your copy from Amazon or from our website, www.sbatsonacademy.com. Now, let's continue our exercise. I am going to teach you some very simple rules that will help you master writing exponent form in expanded form. But before we go through the rules, let's review an expression that's in exponent form. An expression that's in exponent form has two main parts, a base and an exponent. The little number at the top, that's your exponent. Yes? To expand an expression that's in exponent form, we will simply multiply the base by itself repeatedly. Now, the exponent or the boss will tell us how many times the base should be repeated. Now, very important, only the base is repeated or multiplied. So far, so good? Super! Let's go to our first example here. So we want to write 4 to the 3rd power in expanded form. Remember the plan. We will simply multiply the base by itself repeatedly. The exponent will tell us how many times the base should be repeated. So in this example, our base is 4. So the 4 will be repeated. How many times should the 4 be repeated? Well, since the exponent is 3, the 4 should be repeated 3 times. So simply 1 4, 2 4s, 3 4s. That's it. So 4 to the 3rd power is equal to 4 times 4 times 4. Yes? The exponent is 3, so the 4 was repeated 3 times. Again, not only the base is repeated. Get the idea? So far, so good? Super! It's a very simple concept. Simple concept, fun concept. Let's do a next one here. Let's do 7 to the 4th power. So we want to write 7 to the 4th power in expanded form. What is the plan again? The plan is to simply multiply the base repeatedly by itself. The base will be repeated. How many times should the base be repeated? Oh, very good. Yes, 4 times. Why 4 times? Because the exponent is 4. So 1 time, 2 times, 3 times, 4 times. So 7 to the 4th power is equal to 7 times 7 times 7 times 7. Yes? Always remember though, only the base is repeated. The base is 7, so that's why the 7 was repeated 4 times. And it was repeated 4 times. Why? Because the exponent is 4. 2, 3, 4. Listen, I can just sense here that I'm working with a very smart audience. You guys are super. So guess what I'm going to do now? I'm going to give you guys a chance to shine. I know you guys are eager to prove to your parents and your grandparents and your aunties and your babysitters that you got the concept. So I'm going to give you guys a chance to prove to all of us that you have mastered this. So this is what I want you to do. Pause the video, give it a try. If you need to, you can always go back to the previous examples, see what we did, yes, and then come back and try. Don't cheat. I'm watching you. Give it a try. All right. Welcome back. Welcome back. Listen, I know without a doubt that we will get the same answer. Let's go. So we want to write 5 to the second power in expanded form. What is the plan again? We will simply multiply the base repeatedly. We multiply the base by itself repeatedly. How many times should the base be repeated? Very good. 2 times. Yes. Why 2? Because the exponent is 2. Very good. So we only need 1 5, 2 5s. So 5 to the second power is equal to 5 times 5. You guys are so smart. Now, if this is your first time on my YouTube channel, please click the subscribe button and turn your notifications on so that you can be notified every single time I post a new, fun, exciting, and easy to follow math tutorial. Yes? Alright, thank you so much. Thank you so much. I'm so happy you guys are inviting me into your living rooms or your offices or your libraries. Now, here is a challenge for you. Pause the video, work it out in your notebooks, come back, and let's see if we get the same answer. Yes? Alright, welcome back. Welcome back. I know without a doubt that we all got the same answer. I'm so happy. I'm so happy. I know we will all get the same answer. So again, we want to write 10 to the 4th power in expanded form. What is the plan? The plan is we will always multiply the base by itself repeatedly. But how many times should we repeat the base? Well, the exponent, which is also the boss. We all know a bossy person who is always trying to tell us what we must do, when we must do it, where to do it. You might be sitting, I shouldn't say that. But we all know a bossy person, right? So in this example, the base is 10. So the 10 will be repeated. How many times should the 10 be repeated? 4 times. Why 4? Very good, John. Very good, Samantha. Very good, Ariana. Very good, Mark. Very good, Gia. Very good, Yusuf. Who else is watching? Let me see. Very good, Noel. Very good, Mark. All right? All right, let's go. So since the base is 10 and the exponent is 4, the 10 will be repeated 4 times. Yes? Remember again, the exponent, the bossy person, always tells us how many times the base should be repeated. I have one more for you. One more and then we are out of here. This is the super challenge. This challenge right here is for the belt. This challenge is for the championship belt. If you get this correct, the championship belt is yours. I will mail a championship belt to your house. Pause the video, give it a try. Go on, pause the video, give it a try. Welcome back, welcome back. Let's see what we're going to get here. So we have 12 to the 1st power. Again, what is the plan? We will simply multiply the base by itself repeatedly. How many times should the base be repeated? Only once. So we only need 112. Yes, because the exponent is 1. We only need 112. All we need is 112. So 12 to the 1st power is simply equal to 12. How is that? How is that? Very simple. You know what? I feel as though you guys are on a roll and somebody is saying, Sion, please one more. Please one more. We're going to do one more. We're going to do one more. I'm giving you one more. 8 to the 3rd power. Pause the video, give it a try, and let's go. Welcome back. Welcome back. So we want to do 8 to the 3rd power in expanded form. Yes? What is the plan? The plan will be to multiply the base, which is 8, by itself repeatedly. How many times should the base, or how many times should the 8 be repeated? Very good, Johnny. 3 times. Why 3 times? Because the exponent always tells us how many times the base should be repeated. So since the exponent is 3, 8 will be repeated 3 times. Yes? The exponent is 3, so we need 3 eighths. 1, 2, 3. How is that? This is fun stuff. Fun stuff, simple stuff. Give yourselves a big pat on your shoulder for staying with me, working these problems and getting them correct. I'm so proud of all of you. So you can go get some ice cream and just relax now. Yes? All right. Until next time, enjoy your math homework. See you.